Verifying your identity on Sentry. EO is an important step to ensure the security of your account. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Sentry EO website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Find Identity Verification section. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Identity Verification section. This area will provide you with the necessary options and instructions for verifying your identity. Step 4. Choose Verification Method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Complete the verification process. Follow the instructions provided for your selected verification method. This may involve entering a code sent to your email or phone, or confirming your identity through an app. Once completed, you should receive a confirmation that your identity has been verified. After following these steps, your identity on Sentry EO should be successfully verified. This will enhance the security of your account and ensure you have full access to all features.